So today we are going to meet some fun animals. Look at this. Are you ready to see some of your favorite animals? Where is deer? Deer. Wow. This is animal. Look, it's a deer. Deer are so fast and fun. Can you help like a deer? Jump, 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 jump. Next animal is elephant. Elephant with big ears. Look at this big ears. Can you make a trump sound like an elephant? So next animal is tiger. Where is tiger? Find it. So tiger. Wow, tiger. Tiger are big animal. Look at. Can you run super fast and left to roll? Can you roll like a tiger? Roar, roar. Next animal is cow. So look at this cow. Cow are friendly and love to eat grass. Can you say moo moo, moo moo, like a cow? Look at this cow. Next is lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. Of the jungle. Let's roar together like a lion. Roar, roar, roar. So next animal is goat. Where is goat? Where is goat? Goat are funny and like to jump. Look at this and roar. Look at roar. They say bah, bah. Camel. Where is camel? Look at this. Camel walking in the desert. Can you walk like a camel? Step, step, step. Dog. Wow, 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 wow. Dog are our best friend. Can you wow, wow? Like a dog. Wow. So next animal is rhino. Where is rhino? Wow, rhino. Look at this rhino. Rhino are huge with big strong horn. Look at this horn. On their nose, can you stop like a rhino? Stop, stop. Look at so beautiful animals. Today we are going to learn some animals. Today we are going to learn with me today. Thank you.